Hello, Aslam here from Leads Flex. So that's the lecture number 9 of our basic to advanced Go High Level course. So in this video we are going to discuss about the opportunities, but before that, did you know why Go High Level is a number 1 CRM in the world right now for all small business owners and for digital marketers and for appointment setter? Did you know? Because Go High Level have everything customizable. You can customize their each and everything. Right now you can see on my video I have customized my whole Go High Level into my own brand. It's a basically SaaS opportunity for all type of business, and I can sell my account right now here. So let's dive in opportunities. In opportunities we can customize opportunities according to our business, and we can boost our sales with the automations. When we channelize all of our leads, then we can boost our sales, and we have data driven decisions with these opportunities. So let's dive in video and I will show you how opportunities work in a Go High Level. So let me just log in my sub account. In previous lecture we have discussed about the contacts. So let's go to the test account and we will discuss about the opportunities as well. So let me dive in opportunities, and here you can see we have three main features in this opportunities area. One is opportunities, one is a pipeline, and there is a bulk actions. So here we have basically complete hierarchy of opportunities. I will explain each and everything. So first of all, definition that I have defined: you can manage your leads, you can nurture them, and you can convert them a loyal customer. And after that, it's an important part of the any CRM, but right now Go High Level is top CRM in the world, and because they have their customizable opportunity management system, you can manage lead, you can manage grow your sales, and you can manage your sales as well. Benefit of manage opportunities: you can enhance conversion rate, and also you can better organize all of your data. And in the next stage we are going to discuss popular opportunities that we are going to learn. We say lead scoring we can manage, and we can manage opportunity value tracking, status of monitoring, and custom pipeline and integration with any workflow or any marketing tools like emails, SMS, and each and everything we are going to discuss in it. So let me dive back in a Go High Level and I will discuss about how to create opportunities first and first pipeline. So here we can create a first pipeline in which we will say that it's a test account booking pipeline with different stages. So let back go to our chart, and here we have different stages that we are going to copy it and we will utilize this for our leads. Lead qualified, and our first stage is a lead qualification. We just simply go back in a again Go High Level, and here we say lead qualification, add another stage, and here we can go back and we'll say proposal sent, and then we will say negotiations, and then we will say okay, just add. I just pause this and I will add quick. So here we have all stages in our pipeline. I just create it. If you want to add any funnel chart or visible in any pie chart, you can just open it, but right now I'm also going to use it in a future. So let me save it. So here we have one pipeline with different stages. I just go back to opportunities, and here we can see we have different stages here that's I have made a few seconds ago. Lead qualifications, proposal sent, and close, won, lost. We have all these opportunities and with stages. So what we are going to do here, we are going to add some more things here, and you can it's up to you. You can present something like this, and if you want to present something like this, you can add this as well. So manage your fields, what fields that you want into add in these fields. But right now I'm not going to use any of this field to show me one opportunity because we don't have any contacts here. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do contacts. I will add some 1 and 2 contacts in a pipeline, so you will get idea how we can add. Here you see pipeline section, and what we are going to do, select this pipeline and select a stage here. We have different stages. I just select this pipeline and say lead qualified, and it says lead value this one, and I will say it's a just test name. Okay, I just go back to opportunities, and here you see we have two leads. That's the qualifier lead. For example, these state once our proposal sent, we will simply drag and drop on it, and we will also do it manually, and we can do with automations as well. And for example, we want to change the stage in opportunity with automation. It's super easy. We simply go to automations, we create automation. We will say when someone proposal sent, you can automatically change the stage. In the coming videos, I will explain each and everything about the workflow and automation as well, so you will get idea how it's work. And here we have bulk action. In a bulk action, what we can do, we will create different opportunities, we will channelize them, we will edit them, and we will manage them here. So yeah, that's it from this video. And if you want any GoHighLevel services like funnel design, automations, and white labeling, you simply go to leadsflex.com, book free consultation here, and I will jump with you call, and I will explain you all things and discuss your business. And if you can go with my affiliate link, then all these services free of cost I can do for you. Affiliate link in description box below. So thank you so much for watching this video.